All right, guys, we are out in the shop with some more new shit. A couple months ago, we released this little piece of jewelry here, which is our chassis brackets. These are the billet version of our chassis brackets. It's all 4130 machined in-house. Took about 2 days to get these out on our website, and then we got emails and texts saying I need matching housing brackets. So, okay, so we started on that right away, and we now have these really trick housing brackets that match the chassis bracket. So all 4130, all billet machined in-house. Very nice pocket milling, matches the kind of the trend that we started on the chassis brackets. It's a version that kind of mimics our adjustable shock bracket. So this is the same bracket back here that is going to use our adjustable shock mounts. These are super nice. They're not quite a pound each lighter than the regular laser cut 4130 brackets by the time you add the doublers on them. So they're like 0.8, but they are lighter. Really nice combination. Holes are a perfect fit to the NAS bolts. Very, very nice part. The guys did a great job on them. These are all run through our finishing process, so they're just slick and smooth. Everything's chamfer cut for the radius on the head of the bolt. Very, very nice part. So this little gem here is one of the first housings that we've done in the shop that has these brackets on it. So we built a lot of complete housings. So this just happens to be the one that we used the first set of billet brackets on. So got a really nice matching pair. The chassis brackets we've done some videos on before. They have the project tabs built onto them. Really, really nice parts. Our guys did a fantastic job on the design and the machining and the finishing. Just very, very nice quality, just like all the other stuff they do. So check these out. We got them on the site now. They are live and they are available. They are in stock. If you got any questions, please give us a call. Talk to one of our sales guys. They'll be glad to help you out. And let us know if there's anything else you need. Thanks a bunch.